Champions, welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. I've been doing dropshipping for the last 5 years and I've realized this is a real business where you can be able to make millions if you're consistent. And today I want to be giving you step-by-step procedure which you can be able to use to make your first million in dropshipping. All right, so if you're interested in real business, not a real quick get rich scheme, but real business that you can be able to build and grow and make money, this video is for you. So watch until the end, because the last step is gonna make the whole difference. That's where you're gonna be able to know whether it's real or it's something that perhaps the corner business. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's begin. So number one, if you want to make 1 million in dropshipping, number one, you need to understand the game. You need to understand what is this dropshipping business, and it's defined by that it's a business where you sell products online without owning the inventory. You don't have a physical store. What you have is a online store where you can be able to sell your products. So you buy products from your supplier when your customer pays. So you market the product online, you get the customer, then you go buy the product from your supplier, then you supply to your customers. So in short, you're the middleman. You get the products from the supplier, then you supply to your customers. Okay, so your main job is to find products that people are patronizing, products that people are looking for. Then you market them, then you get customers, you sell. Okay, then number two, pick a winning niche. Look for a niche that you can be able to win in this game. You can be able to market freely, a niche that is trending. You know, things like beauty products. People are looking to get more beautiful. So if you can be able to find a supplier that can be able to offer you beauty products, filming gadgets. I'm telling you, right now people are doing videos every single day. So if you can be able to even focus on ring lights, cameras, things that are trending in terms of filming gadgets, you'll be making money, because there are people who do not know where to get the cameras, to get the ring lights. So look for products that are trending, and then you market them and you get to sell. Okay, then number three, look for a reliable supplier. This is very important, because at the end of the day, you might get the customers, but if you don't have a reliable supplier, their business is going to die. So make sure that you have a supplier that can be able to supply you with the products when you need them. For instance, in my case, I normally sell fashion clothes. First of all, before I can even market my products, the fashion clothes, I need to look for suppliers that have nice dresses, you know, tops, jeans. Those can be able to supply me with those kind of products, and then I now market them. And my business has been ongoing for the last, since 2020. That's when I started my business, and it has been a successful business. Okay, so if you want to venture into fashion business, you can also talk to me. I will give you the guideline on how I have been able to run the business. Yes, my number is on the description box. You can also comment on the comment section, and we'll be able to get further with this discussion. Okay, number four, build your store. And simple step, before you can even think of opening a Shopify store, you can start with your social media accounts, your TikTok account, your Facebook, your Instagram. Use your social media as your first dropshipping store where you can be able to post your products. And then think of getting more professional, where you can be able to build a Shopify account, and then you now post your products from those stores. At least social media has made it possible. In my case, I've been using social media, my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and they've been making me money in this business. Okay, so you can use social media account, post your products there, build, and continue, you know, growing your business. But as well, if you have the money, you can as well look for an online store where you can be able to create an account, like Amazon. Amazon is free of charge, by the way. Okay. Then number 5, launch your store. Of course, after you've created your store, you've looked for the suppliers and you've been able to identify your niche. Now it's the time to launch your store and start selling, and then launch ads where you can be able to at least be able to do the marketing, because the free marketing sometimes they really don't work. But if you can be able to create ads that can be able to convert, that's very important. At least you're going to at least be able to build your business more faster. Okay, then at least let it be budget friendly. Don't when you're starting, you invest a lot of money in the ads. Start small. At least you can invest maybe $10, $20 per day, and then as the business continues to grow, you now plow back. You continue you grow the business through reinvesting your profits. So use your social media to share your links, and then you continue growing your business. Number 6, track and optimize your store. You need at least to be able to track what is working, which products are growing, selling more, which products are getting more traction. At least track your store to see what is working, what is not working, and then try to improve on what is not working, or maybe you capitalize on what is working and maybe forget about the things that are not working. Okay, make sure that you are using analytics to grow your business. Don't just ignore analytics. And the good part is that your social media is able to give you that kind of data where you can be able to know what is working and what is not working. Okay, then number 7 and the last one, scale your business to your first million. Be consistent. Don't post today and tomorrow you're like not posting. Make sure you're posting every single day. Every morning at 6, I wake up every morning, I post all my fashion clothes in my social media accounts, and then I post on intervals in the morning, midday, and late in the evening. So make sure that you're being consistent. You're posting every single day, and then you're posting things that customers are looking for. Don't just post randomly. And from your first customer, you continue building up. And I'm sure if you're going to be consistent in this kind of business, you're going to make huge money. Okay, so if you're looking to grow, you want a checklist that can help you to do this kind of business, comment on the comment section. I'll be able to send you a checklist. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you found value for your time, please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless you.